Alright guys, now how to retouch a UFO photo. That's a really cool thing. It's a funny video, but I wanted to do it for a while because about 2 years ago I went to take some photos in Joshua Tree Park, and as I was taking the photos I saw something really weird on my screen that I'm going to show. So this is a raw file on retouch. You see it was shot in 2015 on the 6th of September. Now you don't see anything here, but it's a raw file. I'm actually going to give you the raw file if you can download it and see for yourself. So there's no retouching. This is an ARW file from Sony. Now check this out. I'm going to open up the shadows and I'm going to boost the exposure and look at that. Now I have no idea what that is, and it might not be a UFO. It might be a UFO. I don't know. I'm going to do my black point. I'm going to do my white point. You know, it's the same workflow than retouching the Milky Way. I'm going to add some blue and I'm going to add some magenta, but check this out. Look how weird this shape is. And some people on Facebook actually checked if that night, so at, it was actually, I don't know why it says, I must have done something wrong, but it was around 11 o'clock at night, or almost midnight, it was in June, sorry, 9 of June 2015 at midnight. And you know, people check if over Joshua Tree there was some missile launch or anything, and you know, there was nothing there. You know, people said there was not, you know, there was no specific military things there. But what's weird is look at the shapes. I love the shape. It looks really cool. Like it looks like I photoshopped it, but you know, I'm going to give you the real file so you can see for yourself. If you're into aliens, you know, you can let me know. But I'm going to enhance it a little bit here. Maybe make it a little bit warmer. And, you know, I'm going to add maybe a little radial circle over it by going to exposure, inverting, you know, just putting a little more lights, not that much, but just a bit more lights onto it. And yeah, so this is how you retouch night sky, and this is how you retouch UFO. Check out the raw file. The link is below the video. Funny story, eh?